Alright guys, we're out at the range. We got all the 9x18 ammo, the Blazer, the contract Blazer, the Fiocchi, and the old American Eagle. Fun fact, that stuff is from 2004. That's why you have that old label. Did a remodel and put some solid doors in and took the old doors off. So I'm pretty sure the 9x18 is going to zip right through it. Maybe we'll take a couple shots below and see how far we can get it through the microwave as well, since I still have that there holding it up. But we're gonna first start off with the Fiocchi Key Cal 9 Police. And it has a, what they call a pala blindata, whatever that means. I think that means conical. So it has a conical shaped bullet to it, which is really pretty rad. These are 6-round magazines, but we're going to start because the double action has a really hard trigger pull. So we're going to start with that and then go to, obviously it'll switch off to single action. All right, first shot's 9x18. All right, that didn't work because I didn't. Let's try the double action. Snappy, and that hammer really hurts. Ouch. Okay. Besides the, oh, look at my hand, look at my thumb, a red mark. It's from the hammer. You got some hammer bite. Okay. I racked the slide and it went into single action. So I decocked it with the safety and went into double action. But there's something cool I want to show you. Look at that. Look at that. That's not what I want to show you. Man, does that bite. Minus the flyer here, okay, that was from that wild shot because, okay, just bear with me here. But look at that. Wow, that was really accurate. Popped right through, no problem. Look at those perfect holes. So I'm going to load up another magazine and we're going to give that a try. Yuck. Damn, man. Shouldn't have done that. I got oil in my mouth now. This is the contract grade Blazer, basically. Looks like this and looks just like the Blazer. Okay, the brass ejects really far. That actually felt a lot more comfortable holding it down, but those rounds are way more snappier than the Fiocchi. A lot more kick. Those Fiocchi police rounds are actually fairly comfortable and I think super accurate. Those are good rounds. I wish I had more of them, but look at the spread on that one. Look at that. So, all right, so yeah, it went right through. Can't really tell if it actually went through. I don't think they did. Maybe we'll shoot next one over here and see what happens. We're gonna go with the American Eagle next. Okay, so now it's in double action and we're gonna shoot for the lower right hand panel there. We're gonna see if we can get it through the microwave that way to see if we can see any differences. Wow. I don't like how that shot. All right, let's check this out here. Yeah, so I was aiming right there, and I was getting him hitting right around there. I was aiming in the center, hitting him right center. So this is good enough. I hit that panel like I wanted, and I do not see any going straight through on this side. So I think the door is slowing it down enough where the microwave's catching it. So, okay. By the end of the video, I'll take the door off and we'll check inside the microwave, see if we have any bullets. We're gonna just try this actual laser. We're gonna shoot for upper left-hand panel, the larger one. All right, so yeah, this was the last string of the blazer. Some of them hit over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and who knows, the other one could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, all across the bottom there. Oh yeah, anyway, not bad. This is the other door, what it looks like. Pretty cool. Not bad. Look at that. Oh, check this out. There's one of those conical ones. Flattened out. Actually pretty cool mushroom effect. That's neat, you know? I guess these can be used for self-defense, but it's not traditional hollow point type self-defense. Anyway, guys, I'm going to try to pick up making more videos. I know it's been some time. That's because it's the summer. I have a lot of other things going on in the summer than making videos, so I'm getting back out there now. This is not the primary range, obviously, but as I get stuff and as I come up with ideas, I'm going to make more and more videos because the fall and winter season are upon us, and I cannot wait to get back to the range and start shooting some good shit. The Makarov is a great pistol. I'm glad I finally got one. I've always wanted a 9x18, and I've always wanted a P64, so it's cool. Yeah, hurts a little bit, as you can see there, but what are you gonna do? Live and learn. But anyway, good pistol, good ammunition. Hard to find ammunition, so there's some pros and cons with the P64 and the 9x18. I wish it was cheaper ammo, but what are you gonna do? That's part of the hobby. So again, guys, thank you for watching another episode of Shootin' Shit TV. I am Adam, your host, signing off.